Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually hide or justify your text in your posts, articles, pages, or whatever it is in your WordPress website. So first of all, make sure guys that you have opened your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. I have already made the videos in this channel about how to open the dashboard, how to create your account, and much more. Please make sure to check them out right after this video. But for now, for those who are ready, make sure to follow my steps one by one and stay focused until the end so you don't make any mistakes. So first of all, after you go to your dashboard, it will be something like that. Here you put your username and here your password. After you log in, it will be showed something like that. So here you will be ready to start working. So now what you will want to do is start working on your post. So add a new post, create new, and from here we can add a new post. So now what you'll have to do is click on add the title. So we add something like that, football. And basically in the WordPress section they don't have really this justify option. You have only center or align left or align right. So what you'll have to do, for example, if you have Microsoft Word in your PC, you drag the article that you willing to add. So let's drag an article, which is this one, copy it, paste it in here, and then add it something like that. So now what you have to do is copy it again, and you go to your website and paste it. So it is shown that it is not modified, but after you publish it guys, it will be modified and it will be justified. So guys, that's how you can actually do it. Otherwise you can use the HTML form and change its style using HTML, but I'm not really good with HTML. So what I've already and I've always been doing is going to Microsoft Word, copy this and paste it in here. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually justify your text or post in WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.